Stella Academy is in news again as the NEET UG 2025 results are out. Their students have performed outstanding for National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET 2025, which was held on 4th May. The results of NEET 2025 was declared on 14 June. Director and founder of Stella Academy, Yogendra Singh Sikarwar, congratulated his students for their excellent performance. This year, Stella Academy students have shown outstanding performance as many of their students have performed excellent in NEET, JEE Main and JEE Advanced, BEAT-SET, STSE and also in board exams. The students of Stella Academy have been shining like stars in competitive exams as well as board and school exams.
Hi, I am happy to inform that this year also students of Estellar Academy has done excellent in the NEET exam. Our student, the highest scorer is 572, Subhalakshmi Kankan. Other than her also many students have got above 550 and there are much more students above 500 also. Overall, this year paper was extremely difficult as we have seen across India. The cutoff has gone down. But despite the tough exam, our students are able to score really good in the exam. So we are hoping and expecting better number of selections in GMC and in other medical colleges this year as compared to what we have sent last year. So I congratulate all the students for their hard work, for the result, excellent result which they have achieved. I also thank all my team members, my faculty staff or other staff also, who has done really hard. And I also would like to thank the parents who have reposed their faith. And I'm thankful to God that we could, stay positive and we could maintain the legacy of result which we have produced all these years. So once again, I congratulate all the students. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, my name is Subhalakshmi Kankan. I'm a student of Stella Higher Secondary School of Excellence. I study in the integrated program. I scored all India rank of 5053 in NEET this year. I'm very proud and also very happy, especially because my parents were also very proud of me. I'm happy that all of my hard work paid off for 2 years. I would suggest that they read the NCERT thoroughly, each and every single line, every single page, no matter how useless it might seem. And especially for physics, I would suggest that they concentrate on JEE level questions, like JEE PYQs, conceptual questions, and also for chemistry, the same thing as physics, except for inorganic chemistry, the NCERT is key. That's what I would suggest. And also, listen to what your teachers say, all the guidance that they give, the advice that they give. My experience with Stella was absolutely amazing. The teachers were excellent. They are very supportive, very encouraging. And the students themselves are very hardworking from my own experience, my own classmates. The staff is also very helpful. The DPPs are extremely helpful. The test series are also important and they are very well made. Up until 10th, I studied with NCS. 11th and 12th was done in Stella Higher Secondary. My grade score was around, percentile was around 96. I want to thank my parents, especially my brother, for all of their encouragement and support throughout the 2 years that I've been in Stella. And especially my teachers, Bishop sir, Shatru sir, Manoj sir, Nipal sir. All of their encouragement and support just made all the difference. And I couldn't have asked for better teachers in these 2 years.
We are very happy for her and we are very proud of her for clearing both, getting high marks in both JEE and NEET. Although the paper was tough, we owe everything to God and guidance from her teachers. The teachers have guided her throughout, right from the start of the 11th standard. And namely this Bishop sir, Manoj sir, and Shatru sir, and Nipal sir.
I am Dhruv Kamath. I am a student of Stella Higher Secondary School of Excellence, Prudent, in the integrated program. I feel really good about myself and I'm happy that my hard work has paid off. It is with the help of the staff at Stella Academy that I've been able to crack NEET with an excellent score. My experience with Stella Academy was excellent. The staff were extremely friendly and supported me throughout my journey. Up till 10th, I studied at Sharda Mandir at Sharda Mandir School, and after that I joined Stella in 11th, and it was one of the better decisions of my life. It helped me to clear NEET and pursue my dream of becoming a doctor. Um, the teachers helped me throughout my journey, and it was because of them that I was able to crack NEET. I would recommend Stellar to my juniors. It provides an integrated course which will help them to clear NEET and to become a doctor or engineer. Along with NEET, I also appeared for JEE and cleared it with 96% there. Consistency is the key for success in NEET. Better that one stays regular during their preparation. Also, I would like to highlight the importance of tests. It's tests tests help us to evaluate our performance and as well as perform better in the next tests.
As parents, we are extremely proud of our son's achievements. What truly made a difference was his calm and balanced approach. He was regular in his studies and stayed focused. I thank all the teachers, mentors for their timely support and guidance.
त्याने 2 वर्सां ध्रुवान खूब हार्डवर्क केलो आनी आमी ताका केन्नाच प्रेशरायज करूंक ना आनी टिचर्सांनी ताका खूब सपोर्ट केलो आनी फक्त हांवें एक ताका इंट्रोड्यूस केलें म्हणजे ताका योगा आनी मेडिटेशन कर म्हूण सांगलें विच हेल्प्ड हिम अ लॉट. नॉर्मली आतां इन दीस पर्टिक्युलर केस फिजिक्स पेपर खूब कठीण आयलो सो नॉर्मली भुरगीं कठीण पेपर येतकच निर्वस जाता सो योगा बी करतकच यू रिमेन काम कंपोज्ड and balanced. So this has also helped him a lot. So I thank the teachers also and the institute.
My name is Trusha Naik and I am a student of Estellar Secondary School of Excellence. So I've been a student of Estellar Academy since class 9 and this journey of 4 years has truly been incredible. All the BPPs, modules, PYQs provided were extremely helpful and the part test, chapter-wise tests have been really beneficial throughout this journey. I would like to thank the entire Estellar Academy family for all the guidance, support, mentorship provided throughout. And also, I would like to thank my parents and my family members for their constant motivation, guidance and support and for choosing Estellar Academy as my guide. To all my juniors, I would like to say that no matter what, these 2 years you need to give your best, work hard, be consistent, trust your teachers, trust yourself and truly you will be one of us in the next year. Throughout this journey of 11th and 12th, I have accomplished many milestones. I've cracked JEE mains with 96 percentile. Then in the 12th board examination, I've secured 91.8%. I'm also an STST state merit holder and I've also cracked NEET examination with a very high score. I'm a student of Fatima Convent High School up to 10, after which I joined Stellar Integrated Program. And the teachers and Stellars are quite approachable and they were always there with me for whichever doubts I asked. They efficiently solved all the doubts. Stellar provides you with a very focused environment and truly I would like to recommend my juniors to join Stellar Academy.
My name is Shlok Mahesh Raikar and I am a student of Stella Academy. I have cracked the NEET 2025 with a very good score and it was my childhood dream to become a doctor. And my dream college was always Goa Medical College. I am very happy to go into Goa Medical College this year. So the paper this year was a little bit difficult. It was JEE level. So my tip would be that you can, if you are getting marks in the range of 600s, you can solve the JEE mains PYQs if your syllabus is complete. It will really help you. And it also helped me this year as I got very good score in physics this year. All the teachers at Stellar Academy are very dedicated and they helped me and always they motivated me. Whenever I got low marks in the tests, they always motivated me, which motivated me and helped me keep moving forward. All the teachers, the chemistry, physics, they were very supportive and also academics wise, the content they teach, it is really very good. I want to thank all the teachers at Stellar Academy and also my parents who always motivated me. If you want to get into the medical field, never give up on your dreams and always keep going forward. There will be one day when you will reach your destination.
Thankful to Stella Academy for coaching my twins, making them successful in the NEET examination. I must say they adopted my daughters. From 8:30 to 6:30 they used to be here, and all the teachers were very nice, solving their difficulties. They were accommodated here nicely. If there was no place, they were given place even in the staff room to sit and solve their problems. Very nice. Thankful again to Stella Academy.
I'm Melvin Silva. I'm a student of Stella Academy. I feel very happy after clearing NEET because I studied a lot and I feel like I deserved it. In Stella Academy, all the teachers were very helpful. All my doubts used to clear. Even on WhatsApp, used to answer my doubts there. For my juniors who want to clear NEET, I would like to tell them that if they study, then they will definitely get into. I and my twin sister, we both studied in Stella and I'm very happy we are both getting a seat in MBS. And thank you to my mom and dad for always being there for me, and to the Stella Academy and all the teachers for helping me through it. I'm a student of Stella Academy. After clearing it, I feel very happy. Actually, the time when I had answered in the exam center, I was not satisfied. I thought that I wasted my year. But after I got to know the teachers telling me the paper was very difficult, then I felt satisfied. And now I'm happy. Even to Stella Academy of mine was very good. All my teachers were very helpful and caring for me. Not only in their subject, but in my all-round way, they were asking if I'm studying or not. Any doubts I had, they were sending me messages and explaining me. Even at night, 12 o'clock at night. They were very helpful. I recommend my friends and to join Stella Academy because it was a very nice, supporting type academy. They boosted us to study well and excel in success. This year I even applied for JEE mains and I cleared it with 93.6 percentile, and I also cleared my NEET UG 2025. Me and my twin sister both were studying in Stella Academy and I'm happy that we both are getting a seat this year. Actually, I would have not been taking this job if I had been having my mother with me. My mother was full-time supported me in taking this job. I had broken after my first year and I thought that I would go for BSc. But my mother put me in this line. And so I want to take my parents with me. To my juniors who want to really crack NEET, I would like to suggest to stay focused and reduce the time on the phone. It causes distraction. To take breaks while studying, not to study continuously. You get bored while doing that. And to ask doubts to our teachers, not to keep it to yourself. And share the feelings what you're having while studying with your teachers and parents. Up till 10th, I and my sister were in Shadowmandir. After that, we prepared for NEET in Stella Academy, and I'm happy that we and my sister, both of us, are getting the medical seat. I encourage the other people also to go for this line, medicine and MBBS, because this to serve the nation.
I'm Khushi Kadari. I am a student of Estellar High Secondary of Excellence, which is an integrated program. I'm quite happy about cracking NEET. It's like a dream come true, and I'm finally going to get a medical seat. To my juniors, I would like to say that consistency is the key. You need to maintain the consistency right from the beginning, and also hard work and smart work should go along. I was a student of Stellar Foundation program from Standard 9, and apart from NEET and JEE, I have also been trained to crack other competitive exams like GPSC, STSC, Science Olympiads, and I have also been the state topper in GPSC in Standard 9. The journey at Stellar Academy has been very helpful to me, and it's like a family. I have been nurtured very well to face such competitive exams. This year I have cracked JEE mains with 97 percentile, and I am happy that I cracked NEET also, and that I have cracked the most toughest examination in the country. Till 10th standard, I was a student of St. Mary's Convent High School, Mausa. And in 11th, 12th, I have joined integrated program of Stellar. It has been very helpful to me to focus and pay attention to studies. There were limited, I would not say none, there were limited co-curricular activities, but they also focused on getting some fun and stress relief from stress while studying. To all my juniors, I would like to recommend Stellar Academy, as it is a great coaching institute for cracking various competitive exams and also for board exams. I would like to thank Stellar Academy, the faculty and the management, and also my mentors who have been my supporting pillars right from the beginning. They have given me moral and mental support as well, along with encouraging me and providing self-confidence for my studies. I would also like to thank my family, especially my grandparents, and I would also finally like to thank all those who have directly or indirectly supported me and been there with me throughout this journey.
I'm very happy to get such a good score of my daughter's Kushi. And this whole goes to this Stellar Academy, because when I came here, I was completely. I did my coaching started with 9th standard, and I was completely 9th and 10th. I was completely new. But when I was doing my admission for her in 11th standard, this academy has given me complete guidance like how she has to grow up, because she was interested in medical, and the complete guidance was given for me that how to study and how she has to cope up to which subjects she has to take up and how she has to plan her study. Full guidance, 100% I give to the marks to this Stellar Academy. At the same time, she has also studied, and I am very happy because this is the first time in my family, in our family, that she has done the medical. Thank you.
I'm Arvind Babu, and I'm a student of Stellar Academy. After clearing NEET, I felt very happy. 2 years of hard work had finally paid off. I also cleared JEE mains with 97 percentile and also getting a good score in NEET, and will be getting a seat in my dream college for BPS. My journey with Stellar Academy has been long. I joined in class 9, which also helped me to score a good score in 10th boards, and I was with Stellar Academy for 11th and 12th as well. I was there in St. Joseph's Institute till 10th and joined Stellar Integrated Program for class 11th and 12th. This was a really good decision. It saved my time and helped me work hard and solve more questions daily. One tip I would like to give for all future aspirants is to finish that day's work that day itself. It prevents backlogs and helps you clear your syllabus on time. My overall experience with Stellar Academy was very nice. There was no problem in my preparation and I could easily score a good score in it. I have cleared both JEE and NEET, and to all my juniors, I would suggest joining Stellar Academy's integrated program to help you score and clear both.
So I'm called Narona and I'm a student of Estellar Academy. After clearing NEET, I'm so happy, like my parents are happy. They played a major role in supporting me no matter what, and they told me to keep going on no matter what score and everything you get, because I worked hard. In the end months, I solved many things and I kept going, and that's how it is. I'm really happy. To my juniors, I would like to say that stick to the NCERT for bio and keep giving tests for physics, chemistry. Just revise the formulas and everything and keep solving. Like you have to solve like at least 200 sums or 100 sums every day. Keep a goal, keep a target and everything. And be organized, like keep everything coordinated, like don't be, don't lack any day or something, just stick to your timetable and everything. My experience with the Stella Academy was very good. Physics sir, he guided me in the right way, he gave me many questions to solve, and this year NEET paper was very hard and the level of difficulty was high, and but I made it a point to solve many hard questions and be prepared for any situation. Chemistry sir was very good. He gave me good formulas and I kept solving sums, the same thing. Bio, we had tests and everything, so that helped me a lot, like the last 4 months you have to focus on everything and solve many questions as possible. This year I answered NEET and JEE, and I'm very happy to say that I scored 90.12 in JEE mains. and I'm happy that I'm going to get a seat in GMC as well. I'm Seema Tarap. I'm a student of Stella Academy. I'm really overjoyed to be here at this moment. I never expected this to happen because I was expecting a score about 600, which everyone was expecting. I'm a dropper actually, so I saw what happened last year. So I was not really sure I would get a seat this year, but hopefully I did. For juniors, I would say stay calm when you're answering the exam and also for the preparation. It's a tough journey, but you'll get through it. Do not focus on the results, just be in your present time and do whatever you need to do during this journey. Yeah, I would like to thank my parents, of course, and my brother for supporting me, who is a doctor himself, and I'm really very inspired by him. I like to mention my father and my mom. They are really very supporting. Both will be really very happy to know that both their children are going to become doctors soon. I'd like to thank Stella Academy for giving me this opportunity. Their test series were really very good, helped me cope with my marks, especially in physics and chemistry. Bio is obviously my favorite subject, and for physics, the test series were pretty good. It helped me overcome my mistakes, and I learned from my mistakes. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Sasha Da Costa and I'm a student of Stella Integrated Program. After clearing NEET, I'm very happy to get into the college I want. Stella has helped me a lot thanks to the teachers and staff. They have guided and motivated and helped me to get through the exam. In the 2 years I've been at Stella, I'm a state merit holder for SCSE. I have got a 95.3 percentile in JEE and 95.33 percentile in boards for 12th. In my 2 years at Stella, my achievements were I was a state merit holder of SCSE. My JEE mains percentile was 95 and in 12th boards I got 95%. I have also cleared NEET. Thanks to my family and teachers for their support and guidance throughout these 2 years and helping me clear the exam. Time management and hard work would be the key to clearing the exam. Use a lot of schedule your time well, and hard work and dedication will get you through it.
Hello everyone, I'm Pearl Roy and I'm from Stellar Integrated Batch. After clearing NEET, I was super elated, super happy. My family, my friends, everyone is so proud of me. I'm so glad I could manage this, and I'm so thankful to Stella for helping me achieve and shape my dream. In the past 2 years, with the help of Estellar Academy, I have managed to become an STSE merit holder, and I've also got a good percentile in JEE. I've received 94 percentile, and I've also got a good score in NEET. To my juniors, I would like to say, make concise notes, make them approachable, Don't just read the textbook. Try to read the notes in a way that helps you to understand each and every line properly. Don't just read it like hooper person. I believe that Stellar Academy was very helpful in these past 2 years. The teachers were very approachable, all the staff were great. The teachers were actually really, really helpful. I should text some teachers at 12 o'clock at night with my doubts and give me the answers in like 2-3 minutes. My brother is actually a part of Stellar Academy, and I would highly recommend everybody to join her. I'd like to thank God, my parents, and everybody here at Estellar for helping me achieve this.
Hello, my name is Sandy Amol Naik, and I'm a student of Stellar's integrated program, and I gave the exam of NEET 2025. So it's been a long 2 years, and NEET 2025, of course, it was very hard for us. But after the exam and seeing the results, I'd say I'm quite satisfied with the marks. And I'd like to thank all the faculty, the teachers, and even my friends who are very supportive and kind throughout the journey. So I'm very grateful for that. Yeah. For juniors, I'd like to say that just keep revising, keep solving questions, be consistent every day, and not to dwell on your failures or anything. Just focus on yourself and believe yourself that you can do it. My experience in Stellar has been really great for the past 2 years. All the teachers and faculty, they were supported from the very starting of the journey, or 11, 12, they covered very well all the questions. They made us solve them every time we had any doubts. They were like very helpful and told us clear our doubts on time and all. So yeah, till 10th, I studied in the New Educational Institute, which you also say Kapurkas in Kulcharan. And then I decided to join Stella's integrated program for 11th and 12th. So my milestones this year have been, I'm like very happy with those. First, I am a merit list holder of the state rank for STSC. Then I've also secured a percentage of 90.5% in my 12th board exams. I've also cleared JEE mains of 2025, the January session, with a percentile of 91.79. And for NEET also, I've scored a really good score, of which I am quite satisfied. Yeah, for juniors, I'd like to recommend to join Stella. For NEET, JEE boards, whatever you have to prepare to succeed, join Stella. Yeah, I'd like to thank my parents, my friends, everyone who has supported me in this journey, and it was a very difficult time also during that time for everyone who were besides me, so I'd like to thank them.
Hello, I'm Swakshi Mudris and I'm a student of Estellar Integrated Program at Prudent. So I'm very proud that I'm able to clear NEET with good score even after the paper being so difficult. Today I'm proud that even my parents are proud, and this wouldn't have been possible without my parents, my teachers, and this Estella, who have always been by my side, supported me, guided me. My teachers were always there to clear all my doubts, and even whenever I felt ups and downs, they called me, they provided me with the right information, motivation, and guided me and supported me. So my journey with Stella Academy is always so good. And last year, when students like these came to speak, that provided me with more motivation. The biology faculty here is fabulous. We completed our portion well in time in July, so we could repeat our syllabus again, revise our topics again. Even our physics faculty, chemistry faculty is mind blowing. They were always by our side. A tip that I would give to my juniors is that be consistent and believe in yourself. It's not that someone is smart, someone is not. It's just that you can hard work, do this, work hard for whatever you get, and just go, because everyone can use this. Everyone uses the same material to study, so you can solve many questions, many MCQs, and a difficult paper like NEET 2025 also taught me that you have to maintain your cool, because those 3 hours wouldn't come back, and we kept studying for 2 years just for those 3 hours. So that matters, to maintain your cool. And even when you see a difficult question, just speak to your mind and see that there are also easy questions that you can follow. So till then, I studied in St. Mary's Common High School in Mapsa, and after that, this decision that I took to join Estellar's High Secondary School has been one of the best decisions that I've ever taken, because it saved a lot of time. It helped me to pay attention to my boards and NEET at the same time, and this really helped me to practice. I'm also really happy that I could manage my board and my NEET together. I also scored good marks in board examination and made everyone proud.
I'm very thankful to Estellar Academy for giving this opportunity to study over here, and she has excelled in her NEET exam. She has put in hard work. At the same time, our institution has provided required support and backup, all mock tests, test series. So a lot of efforts they have taken. She has taken, at the same time Estellar Academy has taken. So I thank the institution, the management, and wishing all the great success.
Hello, I am Akhil Kamath. I am a student of Stellar's integrated program. After clearing NEET, I am feeling very happy that I put in all the hard work and I have got the result. I would say to my juniors, be consistent, work a little every day,
and you will reach your goal eventually. Don't give up because of small failures. Work each day little bit. I joined Stellar during the 10th standard in their foundation program. After the foundation program, I joined their integrated course in the 11th standard for NEET. My experience with Stellar was very good. The teachers are very helpful and they're very competent. They helped me with all the doubts I had and also motivated me to work hard. Up to 10, I've done my schooling from St. Joseph's Institute, Vasco. After the 10th standard, I joined Stellar's integrated program. To all my juniors who wish to crack NEET, JEE or any other competitive exam, I recommend them to join Stellar Academy. I would like to give a big thanks to my teachers, my parents and whoever helped me in this journey and God.
Hello, I am Shreya Pandre from Stellar Academy. I am very happy as I have cleared NEET and I am going to get a seat in MBBS, and excited, also nervous. And to my juniors, if you all want to do it, then do it. There is nobody else will do it for you. You only have to do it. Your hard work will pay off like me. My experience with Stella was good. Staff, teachers, and everything was good. I enjoyed my studies. To all juniors, I would like to recommend Stellar Academy. They have best facilities, and I have also cleared JEE mains, and I am very happy I have cleared that also with a good percentage. Best place if you are choosing for Stellar, then this is the best place to join for competitive exams.
म्हाका बरें दिसलें एग्जाम ह्या केल्ले तेणी चीज केली अभ्यास करून व्यवस्थित आपली केली आनी त्या बद्दल बरें ह्या आसा की तशें शिकपाक पयलीं पासून तशें तेणी नंबर घेतलेले आनी इल्ले आहा अभ्यासात तेजे मातशें ह्या आसता बरें प्रोग्रेस व्यवस्थित.
Hello, I am Daksh Amankar. I am a student of Stella Academy. After clearing it, I was very happy. My parents were also joyed. They were very happy than me. I had very great teachers in Stella Academy, especially physics. I loved physics because of my sir, and chemistry was also great. So as biology teachers. Same what teachers have told me, I have done that much, nothing more than that. And I have followed whatever they have told me, like solving KYQs and solving the question papers which Stella Academy has done. I have done my schooling in US Institute, Passport. So if you want to crack NEET, please join Stella after completing your 10th. Thank you everyone for supporting me, my parents, teachers, and all the Stella members who helped me in my due course.
Thank you so much, Stella Academy. माझ्या भुरग्यांक करून शिकयला आनी बरे ट्युशन्स दिले त्यांनी आनी गायड केले आनी आयज ताका बरे मार्क्स मेळ्ळे आनी नाव वी आर प्राउड very much.
I'm Amrita Rajesh Venekar, a student of Stella Integrated Program. After clearing NEET, it was like a dream come true, and I was very happy. Plus, even my parents were very proud of me. To all my juniors, I would just suggest to just focus, work hard, and you will achieve your dream for sure. I will definitely recommend Stella Academy for such competitive exams, as the teachers are very kind, supportive, and very friendly. I've done my schooling in Perpetual Subconvent High School, Nagaland, after which I joined Stellar Integrated Program. I am a merit holder in SCSE exam. I also got 92 percentile in JEE mains, and now I've cracked NEET. I would like to thank my parents for always supporting me and the Stellar family for always guiding and supporting me.
I'm Lisa Carvalho. I'm a student of Stella Academy. With immense gratitude and a heart full of memories, I stand before you today. First and foremost, I would like to thank our respected principal and the administration for such encouraging environment. The teachers, the faculty were not just teachers but were mentors and our friends. They were more like a family to us. They were always there for us whenever you needed them, always available at any time, and they have not just shaped us through academically but as individuals as well. To my juniors, I would advise that solve your difficulties, go to the teachers, do not be shy, just ask them your question, they will always be there for you, and be consistent. Do not
lose faith in yourself, because that's the main thing. I would like to recommend Stella Academy to all my juniors because it's been an amazing journey, and yeah, it was really fun. I would like to thank my mom, my dad, my sister, and everyone who were always supporting me, had faith in me, and they believed in me. And yeah, I did my best. Yeah.
I feel really happy after clearing this exam because it has been my dream for a long time, and now I can see it coming true, and I just feel great. I just want to say to my juniors, trust yourself, stay consistent, solve your questions, go to your teachers for doubts. Not only for doubts, but any problem you have, whether it be personal, whatever, just go to your teachers. They will help you anytime, no matter what. I would like to thank my parents first of all. Thank you, Mama, Daddy, and I would like to thank my sister very much. She has supported me throughout. I would also like to thank my friends for always being there for me, even when I was at my lowest. I would like to give a big thanks to my teachers for always supporting me and being there for me. My experience with Stellar Academy has been wonderful. I have been a student since 8th and it has been nothing but great.
I'm a student of Stellar Academy. After clearing NEET, it was a huge relief because this was a drop year. And previous year, I had not scored very well, but I put in lots of effort. I studied hours on end. I practiced lots of questions, and it paid off. At the end of the day, only hard work pays off. So it was a huge relief. I can relax now finally after 3 years. Experience with Stellar Academy was very structured. I finally found clarity to my goals. I could break it down into monthly, weekly, daily goals which I could complete, which I did not have before. So that clarity helped me the most, I feel. And the teachers, they constantly help me. They give practice. We have modules. The questions really helped me. I solved almost everything in the modules which were given. And at the end of the day, practice matters the most. I want to thank my teachers, my parents, and everyone who has supported me, everyone who's dropped me to school, everyone who's picked me up from school, everyone who's fed me. I want to thank everyone.
My name is Eva Rodriguez and I'm from Stella Academy. After clearing NEET, I feel very happy. It was like a dream for a long time, and more than me, everybody else also is happy for me. So that is the biggest achievement. I think NEET is a whole journey. So we need to be motivated throughout and not be let down by. We have all expectations. So they just pull us down. We should just be motivated and just keep on doing despite all the hardships. That is the main thing. I would definitely like to recommend Stella Academy. It is one of the best in Goa and it has helped me a lot. So obviously it is going to help you all, everybody. I would like to thank my parents. Without them, it is nothing. The unwavering support they have done, and silently they were expecting a lot, and I think I have come up to their expectations. And to all my teachers who have always been there, motivated me. They used to call me every time and tell me it's okay, you're going to do it, you're going to crack it. And yeah, that was my biggest motivation. I think because of all of them, all the people in my life have cracked this exam, and I'm very happy to be.
Hello, I'm Rayal Verekra and I am a student of Estellar Academy. I feel very nice after cracking NEET and I hope to get a seat in GMC. I would like to tell you all to just stick to the NCERT and follow the answer as many mock tests as you can. Estellar has very good faculty. They help you inside the class, and even when you have doubts, they can solve. Their test series is also very nice. So the marks that you score in mocks, you get the marks in your final. I would like to thank all my faculties, my parents, and all my peers for helping me out whenever I feel stressed or anything. Just follow your passion, whichever field you want to go, and all the best.
My name is Abu Marathi. I am a student of Stella Academy. The only tip I would like to give is we should study consistently. After every class, we should ask our doubts to the teachers and get them cleared. Then, my experience was very good. Teachers were very supportive. They used to solve our doubts regularly. I thank my teachers and my parents for their guidance and support throughout this year. Without them, this would not have been possible.
I am Nanjit. I am a student of Stella Academy. I cleared NEET. I am very happy. So I think I should give some advice to you that if you are studying, you should be focused and try and also study well and enjoy studying, and not only means if you are studying, then also try to understand the concept basically, what the concept don't try to do ratta every time. Concepts will be your base, then you can apply and go on doing more hard questions, and do first try to do basic questions, then level up slowly, and at the end you will see that you are able to do many questions, hard questions also. I am happy that I have cleared JEE as well as the NEET. Uh, if you are studying for NEET, you can basically focus for, if you want to apply for JEE, you can focus for chemistry and physics. By focusing more on that, you can do JEE as well. And for bio, the teachers are very well. They can help you, and they can be your friends also, and they will help you to get a good score in bio. So you can focus in physics and chemistry and do very well in JEE and as well as in NEET also. My experience with Stella was very wonderful. Every teacher helped me a lot. They treated me as a friend, and also not like a student. They treated me as a friend and helped me in every step. Like if I had a doubt in any questions, they always solve my doubts, and always ask me if I have a doubt, or if I'm not able to solve any questions. They always came and told me that how to solve the questions and help me how to do the things. I would like to thank my parents for supporting me in my journey, and also thank my teachers and the Stella Academy for supporting me for the journey in my journey.
Hello, I'm Swati Suhar and I studied from Stella. First thing is just trust teachers blindly. They will guide you in a really good way, and the facility is also good. Be consistent and focused. It was amazing. I studied in Stella past 2 years, and I had a really nice guidance. All the teachers were supportive, and I had good experience. Every time it's not like you go higher marks, the graph go up and down. So sometimes you will score low, but it's okay. Just stay focused, be consistent. Thank you to all the Stellar family, all the teachers, staff. Everyone was really supportive and helpful throughout the journey, and it wouldn't be possible without them.
My name is Sanisha Naik and I'm a student of Stellar Academy. After clearing NEET, I feel really happy and my parents are also very proud. To my juniors, I would like to say keep focus on whatever the teachers are teaching and also solve all the previous year questions so that you have a good practice and know all the similar types of questions. My experience with Stella Academy was really good. All the teachers were really kind and cooperative, and all the material was provided to us, and whatever they thought was really very useful, and it really helped me to crack NEET. To all my juniors, I would really recommend Stella to crack NEET or JEE both. I would like to thank all the teachers, staff, and my parents for supporting me throughout the journey.
Hello, my name is Kirtan Naik and I'm a student of Stella Integrated Program. After clearing my NEET, I am very proud and my family is also very proud of me. I'm very grateful for them that they are also supported me a lot. My journey with Stella Academy has been very great. The faculty, teachers and all are very good. They are very encouraging and all. For juniors, I want to say that believe in yourself, work very hard and you will do great in your exams. You will be fine. I completed my 10th in Surya Educational Society High School, Kurtwaram, and then I joined 11th standard in Estellar Integrated Program, and it was a great choice as both coaching and college were at the same place and it helped me a lot. I would like to thank my parents and my friends who supported me a lot. They were with me at the time and they believed in me.
My name is Vidhi Naik and I'm a student of 2 years Stella Integrated Program. So since these 2 years I've worked really hard to get a seat in GMC. So I'm really happy with this journey and I thank Yogendra sir and all the staff members for really supporting us and taking care of all the students. I'd like to appreciate
all the respective faculties of Stella Academy. My juniors, I'd like to suggest, apart from like your Stella studies, you need to focus on your self-studies too, plus all the modules, BPPs, and of course the extra reference books which are referred. Yeah, and your handwritten notes, short notes, which really help it, and movie. That will really help to crack the NEET exam. To my juniors and upcoming generations too, I would like to suggest my friends and family members, Stella Academy. Please join here and yeah, make your dreams come true. My Dada Amol Naik, he is also in GMC for year. So it's really great that I'm too getting a seat in GMC. So yeah, both siblings are getting in GMC. My family members are too happy. I would like to thank everyone from Stella Academy for that. I'd also like to thank my parents, my mama, papa, for like really sending me to Stella Academy. That has made my dream come true. For like these 2 years, I've worked hard. Yeah, thank you.